Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode, we're going to go through our exterior wash and prep for a ceramic coating on this beautiful Subaru STI. Now, come along with me as we go through step by step and tell you which products we use and go through our process. We're going to start out with the engine bay using Detail Studio Magnum Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It does an incredible job as far as getting the engine bay clean on the first time. Spray it down, agitate it. Got the big brush, and then we come in with a little itty bitty paintbrush and get all the nooks and crannies as well. Occasionally, I will do some foam cannon action with it as well, just to help getting all the tight spots. This car does get taken to shows quite frequently, which is why he brought the car to me. We get it ready for shows, and in the next episode we will go over how we clean the wheels and tires, and then we actually did a ceramic coating on them as well. And we tidied up the engine bay with Detail Studio Blackout. It's an amazing product for engine bays, tire shine, vinyls, plastics, trim pieces. I do get all of my product from Detail Studio, so go ahead and visit detailstudioproducts.com. They've got anything and everything for the interior and exterior. Use code DUBS10 for 10% off. Now on to the spray down with the foam cannon. We use Detail Studio Super Foam. Works great, smells like bananas. So have a good smell while you're washing. While we're washing the car, we always start out at the top and work our way down, finish off at the bottom. Make sure you're rinsing your mitt out. Rinse it off, get all the soap off, and then we're gonna do a dry, and the next step we're gonna do iron out. And Detail Studio also has a great iron product, iron remover, fallout remover, a lot of different names for it. So we'll spray that on, let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. You've got to be careful though, if it is sunny or warm outside, it does dry pretty quick. So if you can, do it in the shaded area if the sun is out. And as you can see, these purple drips are the iron out actually working and getting those fallout or iron specks that are embedded in the paint, clean them out. So we'll rinse it off. And then my camera died, but we did a clay bar as well after the iron out. I always like to do the iron out first, that way you can get the majority of the contaminants that are embedded in the clear coat, and then we will go ahead and do the clay bar. Dry it off. I actually got these drying towels from Walmart. They don't last a whole long time, but they do a great job, and they're only like $7 or $8. Now we're going through drying out the door jambs that we rinsed out. Having clean door jambs really makes a huge difference in the overall appearance of your car, especially if you're going to be taking it to shows. Nice and relaxing. Stay tuned. The next video we're going to go through the paint correction, the coating process, and the wheels off polish and coating of the wheels. We even did the brake calipers. Big difference. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Peace out. Have an awesome day.